Baoyu BML720 direct drive ultra small cylinder bed interlock sewing machine with auto trimmer. This model has many technical upgrades on the original model, with beautiful appearance. Small optimization of cylinder bed makes the product more applicable. Seal side cover is adopted to completely solve the problem of volume leakage. Special short horizontal cylinder bed design, only 33 mm from the cylinder edge to the presser foot edge, makes the operation more smooth. The small cylinder design with 180 mm circumference is adopted to make the sewing of small diameter tubular knitted fabric more convenient. Adopted with rocker differential adjustment structure, which could adjust the stitch length easily. The well-improved close-fitting dog linkage mechanism effectively avoids the situation of excessive gap between close-fitting dog. The machine runs without jamming point, which makes it run more stably and has a longer service life. Standard needle plate, suitable for light to medium thick fabric. No need to replace needle plate and no arching. It can be equipped with ultra-thin needle plate for option, which is suitable for all kinds of elastic fabrics, ultra-thin fabrics, and single-layer fabrics. The stitch is beautiful and the fabric does not arc. Standard or type close guider makes the cover sewing more stable.